The iPhone is an excellent phone, but Apple definitely has a lot of privacy concerns and security issues related to privacy on it. Uh, if you want to protect your privacy, you really, really do not want Apple or anything to be shared without your knowledge or consent. Then there are some measures you can take, somewhat extreme, to protect your privacy on your iPhone. The first thing you want to do is, so you basically have to shut down three options in the settings of the iPhone. So go to your settings. You want to do that. And the first thing you want to do is, so you want to shut off the cellular data, the Wi-Fi data, and the Bluetooth data. Bluetooth is the least serious. The first most serious is the cellular data. So you want to make sure airplane mode is on. I just turned it on right now, but when it's off, it's like that. And then it will sync to find your LTE or cellular network. Okay, so you want to turn that on. When you do that, you'll notice that cellular is set to airplane mode, which basically means that cellular data is grayed out. Okay. So it shows my cellular plan here, all that stuff. But once that is grayed out, it will be it will no longer share cellular data. And you'll see the airplane icon up there. Next thing that you want to turn off is the Wi-Fi, which is the internet that it connects to outside of cellular data, such as a Comcast Wi-Fi. So make sure that is grayed out. Once you turn it back on, though, it will immediately sync to find the Wi-Fi settings that you already saved. So make sure to watch that. Last but not least is the Bluetooth data. These are any device, usually miscellaneous devices, set up to sync with your iPhone. Usually there isn't too much data to share with Bluetooth, but there are definitely things that can sync with it which do share data. So make sure Bluetooth is grayed out as well. And once you turn that back on, it will sync to your Bluetooth devices. And the last most extreme thing you can do is, if you don't trust that your cellular data is actually using the airplane mode effectively, and that this is all just a gimmick set up by Apple, you can physically take out your SIM card with, you want to take a very slim, small paper clip, and then you'll remove whatever physical protection you have on your phone. And then you'll want to take out that SIM card. I believe it's hidden at this point. But yeah, it's underneath the outer box I have here. Now, note doing that is a very extreme thing to do. And it basically it's no longer a phone once you take out the SIM card. But it will make airplane mode be constant because there won't be any cellular data card in it to begin with. But yeah, so if you want to take out the SIM card, you can physically remove it with a very slim paper clip. But I don't recommend doing this. I would try to put your faith on the airplane mode, Wi-Fi off, and Bluetooth off. Note that once at least Wi-Fi is on, that's when data immediately will start sending to whatever apps you use, whatever services are on there. So just keep in mind the reasoning for eliminating any privacy concerns does have a cost, which is you will no longer be able to use the internet. and you will no longer be able to use cellular data, and you will no longer be able to use Bluetooth. So, but that is how you make an iPhone virtually totally private. Hope you found this helpful. Thank you.